Alright people, how's it going? Let me show you what we're doing with the Fiesta. Flip the camera around. So 2 days ago, bedliner Raptor, the whole underside of the Mk6 Fiesta. Put some light on this. And yesterday I painted it ZXS green, which is the rail colour for this bright green Fiesta. And as you can see, we've done everything. Mashed certain things out. We didn't Raptor everything because I didn't want the texture on like that exhaust hanger for instance, or the handbrake cable bracket, and various other things like that brake line bracket there. So there's a few things we didn't Raptor, but it has been painted. So transmission tunnel. It's not a transmission tunnel, is it? Because it's front wheel drive. Let's go to the front. So here's the front. As you can see, there's quite a lot of this that you don't see. So I've had to obviously find a line where we needed to finish off. Let's drop it down a little bit so you can see the top of the tower struts. Before I do that, let's show you the insides of the tower struts so you can see everywhere has been done. It's on the other side. Inside the tower struts themselves. Let's go to the top. So these are the top of the strut towers. What I tried to do here is try to replicate the factory finish. So as you can see here, this is like a dark green colour, and it's like that underneath. So this would have been like that on most shells, not because it was going green, but I think they're all like that colour. And as you can see, there's a transition, which is what I did. Now the tops of these aren't fully gloss, these are a bit of a satin, so, and the paint's thinner as well, so I wanted to try and replicate the factory finish. It's not 100% spot on, but it'll do. So when you pop the bonnet open, it's not quite 100. The camera doesn't pick this up that well, but when you see it in the flesh, it does sort of replicate how the finish is, how it's just from factory, because the paint whiffs round, it's not completely engulfing everything. So it'll give a nice factory look to this when it's done. So yeah, time for the rebuild. Yes, mate.